Right, next up, rudder pedals. Now in my original setup some years ago I had the ridiculously expensive Thrustmaster pendula rudders, and they were they're sort of 450, 500 quid, and I just thought no. I didn't actually like them that much, so we've gone for the much cheaper Thrustmaster option this time. Might be a mistake, but we'll have a closer look at them now. So we've gone with the TFRP Rudder Pedals. I don't know that there's anything much of interest on the box. Sliding motion, advanced rail tracks, slide rails, rudder. Okay, yeah. Obviously we've gone with the Thrustmaster other controllers as well. I'll have a look at that in a minute, but let's get into these and have a closer look. Don't know whether this new camera is going to work out. I hope so. Okay, better than I thought. So we have, that looks like a network. Oh, it's to link up to other things, I suspect. Let me just slice that open without damaging the cable. So we have, oh, something fell out. Sounded like an Allen key or similar. I don't know where that's gone. It's probably gone on to one of the units. We'll have to have a search for that. Pretty certain it was an adjustment Allen key. There we go. So this is, well, it's a connector. You can connect it for a plane or car if you look on there. So you can obviously use them for either use. And here we have a, sorry, it's download links. They do the software, I forget what it's called now, their software updater. I don't know why, I got the impression that these were smaller than this, but actually they're a good size. Now of course you're getting plastic now. They're on metal rails. Oh, you know what, they feel okay. So you've got the plastic pedals on 4 metal rails, so you can do that. And then you've got braking there. Nice middle position, neutral. No questions that they're going back to neutral every time. And we've got rubber pads underneath. We've got a non-replaceable cable entry there with the USB. Actually, it's not USB, it's their proprietary connector there. That would explain why that is not replaceable. It's all plastic. Don't know what's under the cover there, but I think for the, what were they, sort of 75, 80 quid, they will be absolutely fine. Good grip on the work surface. I'll be using them on tiles, so hopefully that will be okay. And I've got no real complaints, I think, for that money. yeah, I think that'll be fine. So yeah, not really much to say. It's a set of rudder pedals after all, but nice smooth action, nice solid neutral position. I think I had more braking on the pendula rudders, but you know, how much do you need? It's enough. It's enough range there. They can all be set up in the sim, sensitivity and range. So yeah, all good.